I looked yesterday, and one is like 137% in profit.
Whoa,
Yeah.
you really let that profit run, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you for your time. First of all, tell us, what is your name and where are you from?
My name is Marlon Saitappi, and I'm from the Netherlands, Rotterdam.
Fantastic. Okay, good. And so what was your level of knowledge before you came to Investment Mastery?
Ooh, I did some trading, maybe 1 year, but that was only 3 years ago. And I did nothing with trading or investing, only a little bit crypto. So
Okay.
my knowledge was just, yeah, let's say basic. I think basic, yeah.
Okay.
I knew something about candles and some indicators, but not really advanced.
Okay, so you didn't really have any rules, where to get
No,
in, where to get out and
that's
stuff.
for sure. I have have
Okay.
no rules.
All right. And then how did you get to hear about us? Did you come to the one day or?
Yeah, I come to the one day in Amsterdam.
Okay.
Yeah, and that
Okay.
was
And then
in
what is
October.
it that made you decide to come on the workshop?
I think it was my girlfriend.
It's
She
her fault.
said, yeah, she was doing the elbow.
Are you
She said,
still together?
yeah, and she said, this is something for you. You must do this. This is for you.
Okay.
So I was thinking about it, yeah, a little bit of doubt, but in the end, maybe I took maybe 10 minutes, and then I decided to go. This is for
What were your
me.
doubts about?
I think the initial investment. I think, yeah,
Mm, yeah.
but
People focus on that
yeah,
instead of how much you can make, because you're going to use it for the rest of your life.
yeah.
Yeah. Cool. All right. So what was the best thing about the workshop for you?
The best thing, I think, yeah, definitely the energy and the way everything is taught. So it's very interactive and active, and very how do you say it? On a low. It's very easy to understand, and a lot of support through the workshop every day. So
Mm.
that is something that was very important for me, and that was something I immediately also told to my girlfriend. You have, yeah, they're very nice, a lot of support throughout the workshop, and you can ask everything.
Good. Fantastic. What were your goals then for this workshop? I mean, what did you want out of it?
Oh, yeah, I wanted to learn everything, really everything, but that is not possible in just three
But
days.
why? You wanted to learn everything for what? What's your goal? What did you want?
My,
Are you
my,
like, is
my
it cash flow or is
Yeah,
it to grow your wealth?
definitely both. But first it is cash flow. But yeah, I want to be financially free, and this is just a part of it.
Hmm.
I'm also doing some other things, but
Hmm.
I missed this part to achieve that goal, to be
Yeah.
financially
It's
free.
only 20. Oh, how long do you take, by the way, a day?
Um, Now, in the beginning, let's say before the workshop, from October to February, I did every day 20 to 30 minutes.
Ah,
It was
good.
before the workshop, and
You're
after
preparing for the workshop.
yeah, preparing for the workshop. And after the workshop, I started maybe with 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now?
And now I think it's yeah, mostly I think 2 hours. 2 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours.
Really, as much as
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
Oh, because you're also doing cryptos as
Yeah,
well.
I doing everything. Yeah.
Ah, okay, got it.
Buffalo, crypto, and
Yeah.
a little bit forex now.
Okay, so tell us your results.
Okay, let's start with VCA.
Yeah,
On my whole portfolio, I'm now 16.57% in profit.
that's
Um,
fantastic.
yeah, I have 14 closed investments,
Hmm.
and my average profit was something around 25%.
Yeah, very good.
And I have now four investments open. They are active,
Hmm.
and my largest investment is oil. So I just need to wait a little bit more. But
It's so close, right?
yeah. But I think if that is above 15%, my portfolio, yeah, will
Yeah,
rise a lot.
because you got in several times, right?
Yeah. I'm fully invested. Yeah.
Were you nervous?
Yes, 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 yes. In the end, I think it was on its lowest. Yeah, I was a little bit nervous,
Yeah, yeah.
but I thought, yes,
But you just followed the rules.
just follow the rules. Did
Excellent.
nothing else, really.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Okay, good. So, and you also said that you did cryptos as well. So, what's your results there?
yeah. Crypto. I was already a little bit in crypto, but without any strategy, just
Okay.
buying and holding.
Yeah,
But my
that's what most people
results,
do, right?
yeah. But my results now, I do the RSI strategy.
Hmm.
I'm with that around 5% in
Hmm.
profit,
Yeah.
and with I've 10 investments in altcoins,
Hmm.
and my whole portfolio for the altcoins are now like 25.8%
Nice.
profit. Yeah.
So
So
a little bit more than in
some
the
are
bank.
still in minus, and I looked yesterday, and one is like 137% in profit.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You really let that profit run, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Gotta let that profit run, man.
Yeah.
That lifts the whole thing, right?
Really, yeah, 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 yeah. So yeah,
Fantastic.
I love crypto, and see, definitely it's definitely something in the
Cryptos
future.
is
Yeah,
is 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 fantastic. Like that volatility is amazing.
yeah.
Yeah. So you're just gonna keep going? What's your plans?
My what?
What are
My,
your plans? Like
my
you got 16.57%,
yeah,
5% on the RSI, 25. By the way, you're gonna make a lot more than 5% on the RSI if you keep going.
yeah, yeah. I'm for sure.
Altcoins,
Yeah,
25.8%.
my plan is, yeah, to keep going, but because I think in the beginning I at some investment I didn't exactly follow the strategy, and I see what the result was. So it's always better to exactly follow the strategy, and not let fear or something else.
Any emotion.
Yeah, any emotion. It's yeah. It takes you off the strategy and your focus and your consistency. Um, so I'm going, yeah, to do much more investments, but much I do more research now, more research,
On
in
your
depth
VCAs?
research, yeah, fundamental analysis
Mm,
now,
good.
and it helps me a lot.
Have you been on
Even
the advanced workshop, the stocks
Yeah,
advanced workshop?
only the virtual, only the
Okay,
online.
yeah, good.
Yeah,
So that's good. So you did all that fundamental stuff.
yeah, 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 yeah. Because I did it in the club,
Hmm.
but it's different. It's different. It's less interactive.
Yeah,
So now I'm always with it, writing my trading plan,
yeah,
and I see that it's so important to have a
yes,
trading plan, to write everything out, every strategy, so you don't have to think anymore,
yeah.
and you
So
can
true, huh?
really, yeah,
So
you can
true.
really follow the strategy.
That's awesome. I love hearing these success stories. Absolutely fantastic. Well, I want you to remember, Marlon, that you're a great inspiration to us because don't forget, every time we hear about success stories, that makes it worthwhile for us. It's a lot of hard work.
Yeah.
And so it's wonderful. So keep going. You're inspiring. Keep going. And hopefully, when we do a workshop in Holland, hopefully at some stage,
Mhm.
it would be great if you could come back, maybe help out a little bit as well.
Oh yes, of course, of
That'd be
course. Yeah,
amazing. Yeah,
yeah.
it's
That would be
fantastic.
wonderful. Yeah.
What would you say to somebody who's like thinking about doing it but not quite sure?
Ooh, yeah. I think don't think too much, because the support you get is so valuable. Even with the coaching and everything, it's really a no-brainer
Hmm.
afterwards.
Hmm.
But it's really worth the investment. Yeah, the investment is just a small thing in the end. But in the beginning, it looks big, but in the
Yeah.
end, definitely, yeah. But
Yeah.
definitely the support. The support is, yeah, it's just amazing.
Yeah. Yeah. We do really, we give a lot of support. But that's what people
Yeah.
need,
I've never ever experienced this kind of support with any company.
Yeah. Yeah, we
Really.
pride ourselves. Thank you. We
Yeah.
pride ourselves on it. We do sometimes laugh about how much support we give compared to just not even in our industry, in any industry, but that's just who we are. We can't help it.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Listen, really, really, happy with that, and keep going, keep inspiring others, and please come to the next workshop and
Yeah,
help
for sure.
us help other people. Yeah,
Yeah, for sure.
people need to know about this. Thank you very much. Take care,
Thank
Marlon.
you.